The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for Lee County in eastern Arkansas, St. Francis County in eastern Arkansas, northwestern Phillips County in eastern Arkansas, southwestern Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Holly Grove, or 10 miles east of Crittenden, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Garrett Grove, Cody, Hughes, Cottonwood Corner, New Castle, Souden, Round Pond, Vineyard, Beck, Bricky's, Ball Point, Tongan, Roggio, Jill, Hawkins, Mississippi River State Park, Penjure, Four Forks, Burntcane, and Colt. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas: Crittenden, Lee, Phillips, and St. Francis.